We want to see us disrespect this 5-minute gap, preferably. That would validate long structure. If we could take out this high, we want to see us take out this high. If we close above this 5-minute gap, then that's validation. Buyers and sellers are confused right now. Nice. Pushing higher. Okay, that validates longs. Longs are definitely validated. We want to see us take out this high, have valid retracement, and this is confirmed. Yep, pushing past this high right now. Nice, valid displacement. Want to see a retracement to a 5-minute continuation confluence. What we have now is like want to see us come into this gap right here, or this order block here. If you don't have valid retracement, then we can't take a play. Alright, we're coming down to this 5-minute order block. Want to see 1-minute bullish momentum out of it. Completely invalidating it. Maybe you want to just tap on this hourly SMT once more. Looking for a buy position here.
Order filled.
Alright. And one buy con on NASDAQ.
Order filled.
Stopped out there. Looks like we're disrespecting this hourly SMT, looking for that push lower. So we're respecting this bearish structure right now. Yes, just traced into this 5-minute gap up here. Or probably, honestly, right now, definitely conflicting on ES or unfortunate. Looks like we may want to break this hourly SMT and target this hourly gap. We just filled this 4-hour gap, fair value gap.
you wanna go down, yeah. Say you wanna go round, yeah. Now you wanna.
Yeah, so we have this 5 minute here that we are inversing. Like I said, like we're probably gonna respect it, and it looks like we just had a huge wick outside of it. Which is unfortunate. Here on the 5 minute on ES, we had valid retracement into this 5 minute gap from this structure. Anything we potentially see us playing off of this 1 minute. So I'm gonna forward test this. I'm done for the day. I don't want to break my rules and go over my max loss limit, which is unfortunate that we had low-key conflicting there, but it wasn't that conflicting. Honestly, we had that huge wick. Yeah, that huge wick kind of just put us in between longs and shorts. Honestly, we have this 4 hour gap telling us we're going to come higher. This 1 hour gap, we're going to tell us we're going to come higher. Honestly, it's looking like we're going to have bearish structure. And again, it's like FOMC probably would have been best to be really careful with the conflicting confluences because we have FOMC at 2 o'clock today. So I'm done for the day. I'm probably going to trade FOMC. You want to be careful though, definitely. Trying to just understand everything. I mean, honestly, I would take that play again. Like if we honestly, that was A plus. That was A plus. Despite this wick here, I don't really look for 5 minute closes, but like, I mean, we could definitely be respecting it still. That's kind of unfortunate that we wanted to dip below and possibly just like fill that 4 hour gap. I mean, that was A plus in my eyes. We probably are gonna play out. I mean, where did we enter in? Off this 5 minute gap. That's really unfortunate. Yeah, that's really unfortunate. May play out on that one. Yeah. Yeah, it sucks. That sucks. That sucks. Well, I mean, one of those days where if you have an hourly SMT, you can definitely wick that hourly SMT pretty heavily, which could really just wick you out. It's unfortunate that we got wicked out in that case scenario. Can't say much. A plus setup. I mean, I would take it 100 times again. Trying to think if we could do anything like better, because of course, like every loss is on ourselves. We can actually go over to the journal now too. Keep this up. All right. That would have hit 100 out of freaking 100 times, bro. That's unfortunate, man. It really is. It really is, bro. I mean, dang. Yeah, that's gonna play out. Especially if we take out that high. That's planned. Yeah, initial variant of that. Yeah, yeah. If you're still in this, congrats. I'm glad for you. All right, journal as we see this play. That's also like with tight, like when you're risking very low to make a good amount of money, you're probably gonna get, you know, cooked a couple times. But I think it's important to like what we could have done differently. Honestly, it's just like risk, not in terms of $250, but risk more of what is happening on the chart. Having like I feel like even today, like we dipped below the previous low of our 5 minute order block that we entered off of. We literally, and maybe me seeing that invalidation of the order block, like I could be like, okay, we're probably gonna want to take out a point of liquidity under that, and then we can look for entry. But no coulda, shoulda, wouldas around here. We just get better. January 28th, 2026. All right, pros. We go over pros for the day. Honestly, great overall discretion. Honestly, everything was great. Honestly, market understanding was great. We could even be going for this buy side liquidity, if we're being honest. Let's continue the journal. All right, market understanding was great. 1L, call it a day. What else? Well, market understanding was great. We had patient was good. We seen women in retracement, not necessarily women in bullish momentum, which was like low key. Like we should have saw that woman in bullish momentum. So I'm gonna put that under cons. See 1 minute retracement higher in our candle. Yo, I'm quiet now, bro, but I'm about to like literally like molest the gym. I'm about to like literally just let it all out on my back and buy day today. You never want to take it back out on the charts. That's one thing. Never. Never, 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 never. That's how you blow accounts, buddy. That's how you blow accounts. Honestly, we're probably gonna stay below this buy side, but could take out this high too. I don't know. Either way, we were just trying to catch the retracement, the minor retracement higher before that bigger retracement lower. So honestly, would have been out. Would have hit one contract, take profit, another contract, break even, realistically.